Hello guys, it's good to be back once again for another weather analysis. This is for today, Monday through Wednesday, January 20 to 22, 2025. This is our English version. If you want to check out on our Tagalog version, just visit our YouTube channel, Mr. Typhoon, for more details. And if you're watching via Facebook, just browse on our channel as well for you to check out the Tagalog version. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation, one of the best educational institutions here in the Bicol region and in Naga City. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Now, let's begin with our update. It looks like the quiet, good weather conditions across Luzon and parts of Visayas is now ongoing, and it started last Saturday, and we are enjoying some blue skies, sunny conditions, and some fresh breeze from the Northeast Monsoon here over the Bicol region and some parts of Luzon. The Northeast Monsoon is somewhat dry right now, but there's still some showers expected over the northeastern portions of northern Luzon. And this is the last graph set that we created yesterday, and it's valid until Tuesday. It remains the same. We have here a gentle northeast monsoon bringing some cooler conditions across northern Luzon and eastern sections of Luzon as well, while the Easterlies will somewhat bring some localized thunderstorms across Eastern Visayas and parts of Mindanao, particularly during the afternoon or evening. And we have here a shear line starting to dissipate for the past 24 hours. So the waves here will remain high, between moderate to rough seas. We are going to check out the latest one in a while. Here's the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. As you can see, these are now the showers generated by the easterly wind flow because of the ongoing weak La Nina. Expect some daily afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across Mindanao and eastern Visayas. But right now, over most parts of Luzon, including the Bicol region, MIMAROPA, we are enjoying some hot and cooler. Although it's hot in the evening or early morning, it's still cooler because of the cool, dry season that we are in. But this clear break will be expected until maybe on the last week of January, and all points to another wet conditions during the first week of February, and we're going to observe that in the coming days. As you know, the computer models are changing every 6 to 12 hours, so let's hope it will remain that way, and let's still hope that there will be no shear line that will occur in the coming 7 to 14 days, but we cannot be assured of that. But we are here to give you the very latest every other day, okay? And here's the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, and you can clearly see here the cloudiness generated by the easterly wind flow, producing some thunderstorms across Mindanao. Right now, we are witnessing some thunderstorms over the Zamboanga Peninsula, Lanao provinces, and parts of Soxagen, and mostly cloudy conditions in most parts of Mindanao. Some thunderstorms can also be observed here over Samar later area, particularly Tacloban, while over Luzon it's somewhat breezy, okay, with winds of up to 40-50 kph and some cooler conditions because of the dry northeast monsoon The shear line is non-existent. It's somewhere here, but it's diffused. And if you take a look at the latest wind and pressure forecast from the European model, it looks like calm conditions to the northeast of Bicol region, but Northeast Monsoon will remain here, somewhat dry, and Easterlies over Visayas and Mindanao. By tomorrow, Tuesday, we expect the Northeast Monsoon or the northeasterly wind flow will continue to prevail across the northern and eastern sections of the country. Some weaker Northeast Monsoon over Bicol region and parts of the Visayas. And on Wednesday, it will remain the same, changing from the east. And on Thursday, it will start to change from the easterlies. And we expect some thunderstorms and isolated rain showers over Eastern Visayas and Mindanao as well. And on Friday, same conditions until Saturday. So we will just limit our forecast until Saturday, since more than 5 days it will have a high uncertainty. Now, if you're asking me when will be the next surge of the Northeast Monsoon, that will come on Monday or next week, January 27. There will be another blast of the Northeast Monsoon that will affect Luzon, particularly on Tuesday, January 28. But the uncertainty here is still high, less than 30% probability. And it will persist through Thursday, the last day of January. So we expect winds of up to 60 kph across Bicol region, parts of MIMAROPA, northern and eastern Luzon, while calmer conditions over the western sections of Luzon, since it will be affected by the mountainous terrain of the Sierra Madre, these strong winds. But the temperature will remain around 20 to 28 degrees centigrade. Now on Friday, last day of January, we expect still the Northeast Monsoon affecting northern and eastern Luzon, including MIMAROPA, Bicol region, and eastern Samar, including northern Samar as well. And as we enter February, we are keeping an eye on this low pressure system forming to the south of Palau, but nothing to worry, it's just a shallow LPA. And on Monday, February 3, it will start to move westward towards the Davao coastal waters of Davao region, but the forecast is only until February 3. So we don't know after that. But since this forecast is more than 7 days, the probability of this LPA forming remains at 0 to 25%. So we will not yet pay attention on this potential LPA that may form during the first few days of February. And we will let you know as we move into the last week of January if this system will push through. But we will keep you updated from time to time. Let's take a look at the rain forecast so far. Everything is great. No heavy rainfall expected across the country. Tomorrow, on Wednesday, the usual showers and thunderstorms over Eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao, northern Caraga to be exact. And on Thursday, still same situation, nothing much until Saturday, January 25. Okay. Now for the wave forecast. Right now we have small pockets of light to moderate waves of up to 2.5 meters here. It can be dangerous to small sea crafts. Okay, over the northern, extreme northern parts of Luzon, the coastal waters, as well as the eastern coastal waters of northern and central Luzon. There might be waves at moderate levels up to 2.5 here, while the rest of Visayas, the inland waters of the Visayas and Sulu Archipelago will remain calm to very light waves. So that's for today. Tomorrow, Tuesday, January 21, Wednesday until Thursday, the East Philippine Sea will remain light to moderate to at times large waves. Okay, this is up to 2.5 meters along the east of Luzon, east of Bicol region, and east of Visayas. So the coastal waters here will remain light to moderate to at times rough. So it might be a little risky when it comes to the fishermen and the sea travel. But if you look at the inland waters of the Philippines, over the Sibuyan Sea, Visayan Sea, Sulu Archipelago, Argay Gulf, Bohol Sea, and other small seas over the central Philippines, it will remain calm to light waves. So very great for fishing and sea travel. Okay, so let's enjoy this break of good weather, and let's hope this coming February it will remain this way. But we are here to give you the very latest in the coming days. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Have a great week, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.